tripod. So congratulations to me. I just got my tripod. So and I want to start making videos right now. But before that, I want to arrange my office. So as you can see, this is my TV. This is my chairs. So I'm going to use one of these chairs. So in order to do the stuff. So now I'm going to rearrange this place. I'm going to rearrange this place so to be more clear. I want to rearrange this place to be more clear so that nothing will be here. So I have so many work to do, so many things to do. So like right now, I'm cleaning up this place. I have to clean up everything because I want to make a very standard video. A very standard video for my YouTube channel. So I'm doing all this because of you guys. So I'm doing all this because of you guys, and I believe you're going to enjoy what I'm going to produce. So that is it. I think let me find a way to adjust my screen, my TV, I mean my laptop. So I'm gonna plug my laptop here right now. So I'm rearranging this place. So I'm gonna keep this aside. So as you can see, this is my iPhone, and this is my mouse, wireless mouse, and this is my face mask. My face mask on nose guard. So I'm gonna have it like this. I'm gonna have it like this, as you can see. So I'm ready to continue shooting a good video. I want to shoot a very nice video. So it's because of you, I go extra mile so that you can enjoy me out there. So I'm gonna start my whole video and you're gonna enjoy it. So first and foremost, I'm gonna remove this since I'm in my office. So I want to dispose this. I will go outside there and dispose this. I'll go outside there and dispose this. Alright. So now I've come. I want to rearrange every area. As you can see, I want to make sure that everything is intact. So I'm going to keep this away. I'm going to keep this away.